Introduction. Begin with a friendly greeting to your viewers. Hello, everyone, and welcome. If you're interested in creating wealth through real estate investing, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of real estate investment insights, and we'll share valuable tips and strategies to help you make informed investment decisions. So, let's get started. Segment 1. Introduction to Real Estate Investing. In our first segment, we'll introduce you to the world of real estate investing. We'll discuss what real estate investing is, the various investment strategies available, and the potential benefits of this wealth-building approach. Explain the basics of real estate investing, such as rental properties, fix and flip, and long-term wealth creation. Segment 2, Market Analysis and Trends. Segment 2 is all about market analysis and trends. We'll guide you on how to analyze the real estate market in your area, identify emerging trends, and determine when it's the right time to invest. Discuss factors like market research, local economic conditions, and the importance of location in real estate. Segment 3, Financing Your Investments. Now, let's dive into financing your real estate investments. We'll cover various financing options, including mortgages, hard money loans, and creative financing strategies. Provide tips on how to secure financing for your real estate ventures and the pros and cons of different financing methods. Segment 4, Property Selection and Management. Segment 4 focuses on property selection and management. We'll share insights on how to choose the right properties and provide tips for effective property management, whether you're a hands-on or hands-off investor. Discuss property criteria, tenant selection, and property management best practices. Conclusion. As we wrap up this video, you've gained essential insights into real estate investing. Remember, successful real estate investing requires knowledge, research, and careful planning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable real estate investment wisdom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.